It is Monday morning and I realized I did not film any of my progress that I made on the village over the weekend, so I thought I'd come down and share what I did do. Saturday I didn't do much. I just took that row of houses and turned them around so the fronts of the buildings face the train track. Sunday I spent about 2.5 hours working on the setup. I pulled accessories out of totes that I felt would work in the town section. Then I set that row of houses up, and then this row of houses. I really like the bus depot back there. This section was a challenge. I think I had like 3 different setups, and this is the one that worked the best for me. The sizes of the buildings affect how many I can get in one row. And this one's a long one and that one's a wide one, and that's why I could only get 4 and not the 5 or 6 that I wanted. I'm okay with it. I'm moving forward. So I have some accessories down on that street, and I have just the car. Oh, I have parking meters and I think a street sign down there. And I have a couple on that street. I did work on the lighting. Everything but the lighthouse and that red one, the granary, is lit up. So all I have to do is push the on all button and they come on. Today's mission, at least I hope, I have some filming that I need to do for the blog. So I hope to be able to work on it. That back row right there, I'm thinking of that as my mountain houses. So looking at it, if it's a mountain house, it doesn't really look like mountains. So I think what I'm gonna do is carve mountains out of styrofoam and then put it behind that row. I'll just have to smooth out that snow blanket a little bit. So I'm gonna hopefully get to that today. And then I do also have to run to Hobby Lobby because I thought of an idea that I wanna do to the styrofoam in front of the country club. So that is the progress from the weekend.